I've been thinking about us. I've been thinking about what we have. I've been thinking that you had to come around no more. And it's hurting me so bad.
Hey guys, it's India. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a crochet braid video. I have not done one of these in like a really long time, like several months. I think it's been since I've worn crochet. I wore knotless braids, twist, and then I wore my natural hair out for about 3-ish or so weeks. So I decided that I wanted to do something red. I have not worn colored crochet braids in red ever. I think I've done like a GR30, maybe like another blondish color, but never red. And I absolutely love it. I think it's so freaking cute. So I literally was just thinking about like what kind of red crochet braids like are available in like a natural texture, not like the silky textures. And so I just went into like my local beauty supply store, looked around, and then I saw this and I was like, perfect. So this is the Freetress braid. This is the wand curl collection. So similar to the other ones that I've done, like fluffy wand curl and like whatever other ones I have on here. It's like that kind of natural texture. And so it's the Miracle Curl in the color OT 530. This is what the box looks like. And then I'll show you guys how it comes. So of course it's just like the two little bundles, one here, and then of course the hair is just right here. And so it's an ombre, it's like a 1B at the top to a 530, which is like a reddish burgundy color. So I am actually going to show you guys a little clip of my braid pattern, which is 7 braids on each side. So 7 here, and then they go straight back. I crisscrossed the middle with the intent to do an invisible part for a middle part, but I decided not to do it. So if you don't want to do the invisible part anywhere, you just want to rock the flip over method, you don't need to crisscross your braids, you can just do them straight back. I normally only do an invisible part in the middle. If I'm going to wear it to the side, I normally do the flip over, which is what I'm doing right now. So this is what the flip over looks like. Literally, it's just flipped this way. I'm not utilizing a part, it's just flipped in that direction. That's what a flip over method means. This is the length of the hair. So right here, I think it says it's 14 inches. Let me see. I don't know. I thought it said somewhere that it was 14 inches. So this is just the length. And then here it is to the back. How that looks. So super cute. So I did not cut it. The only thing I've done is of course trim the ends that are kind of raggedy. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the video so you guys can see how I installed this. all the time. It's like people cannot comprehend that I'm splitting the hair. Literally, one piece of hair that I'm holding up has been split into 3 to 5 pieces. That's how I get my hair to look like this. I have a lot of questions like, oh, you know, how do you get your hair so full, or how come it doesn't like look like as defined as the picture, or like whatever. And it's because I split my hair. Okay, I used 2 and almost a half, so almost 2.5 packs. Normally I only use 2. This hair is a looser curl pattern. It's not like that spiral curl like this, so I needed a little more to be able to cover up my braids. But if you if you're not going to split the hair, you're going to need at least like 3 to 4 packs, because you're going to need a lot of hair to cover up your braids. That's why I always split my hair, and I always like the way that it looks. I don't have any problems with like redefining the curl or anything. I actually did not put any product at all on this hair. Sometimes I will go in and put mousse or like water and conditioner mixture, spritz, something. I did nothing to this hair, nothing at all, nothing. Like I literally just installed it. I do 6 twists at night, put my silk scarf on and go to sleep, and that's it. So no product at all on this hair. I absolutely love the way it looks. I love the way it looks. Of course it's colored, so I feel like you can't wear colored crochet braids for as long. I mean, you can, but like I feel like it doesn't look as nice for as long. Like you can't really get away with it as well as you can with like a 1B or like a 2. So we'll see. This is not the same day hair, so it's been about 5 days, I think, that I've had this hair in. So I'm going for 2 weeks, hopefully 3, maybe even 4. I normally keep my crochet braids in for 4 weeks, so 1 month. I definitely know that it will go 2 weeks. I'm gonna hope for 3, and then we'll see how it's looking. Let me know if you guys want an update on this hair to see how it's holding up, since it is a red color, to kind of see how long the curl lasts and like how ratty the ends start to look as time goes on. So I think that's all I wanted to say about this hair. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, this is a beater. I get this question all the time. This is a beater, okay? It's from Walmart. You can find them at the hair store. You can find them at Michael's in the craft section. And this is what I use to install my crochet braids. I do not use a latch hook. This is what I use. A latch hook snags my hair, so I don't like to use it. This, I don't have any problems with snagging because there's no like sharp edge that's gonna like yank my braids. So I have a video on this of me using it in real time that I will link down below, although I did leave this little clip in real time, so hopefully you guys can see how I'm getting under the braid and, you know, knotting the hair on it and all that. But anyway, that's it for that. So yeah, like I said, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave everything in the comment section down below. If you guys want to see me do this makeup look, I put up a chit chat get ready with me before this video, so I'll leave that down below as well. You can go check that out, and I believe that is all. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.